अस्सलाम वालेकुम सलाम। मेरा नाम सुनिधि है। मैं आपकी मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन देने आई हूँ। मेरा पोजीशन है बैठ जाओ। आप रिलैक्स होकर बैठ जाओ। When we are saying the patient to relax, we are checking the conscious state and the health of the patient. Now we are going to expose the patient as much as required. आप प्लीज अपनी स्लीव्स ऊपर कर लें. Now we are going to take the vitals. We are going to check the pulse rate. We are going to say the patient to flex his elbow and we are going to have the radial pulse here for 1 minute. Now we are going to check the temperature of the patient. हम उसको कहेंगे कि आपने ये जुबान के नीचे रखना है 1 मिनट के लिए, हिलाना नहीं है. After having the temperature recorded, we are going to say the patient for the BP. अपनी बातों सामने करें और ये कफ पहने. Now we are going to check the respiratory rate. For this we are going to say the patient आप अपना हाथ अपने पेट पे रखें और सांस लें, रिलैक्स होकर सांस लें. Now we are going to check how many times the thoracic cage rises above. This will give us the respiratory rate. We are going to check it for 1 minute. After taking the vitals, we are going to see the physical examination. We are going to say the patient अपने हाथ आगे करें. जी. First of all, we are going to see the shape of the hands. We are going to see the size of the hand. The hand size are increased in acromegaly. Now we are going to check if there is any obvious swelling, which is a sign of edema. So there is no obvious swelling. Now we are going to check the nails of the patient. If there is any yellowing of the nails, it is a sign of pallor. If there is spoon nails presence in which there is a dent in the nails, it is a sign of chronic iron deficiency anemia. We are going to check for cyanosis and clubbing. If there is cyanosis or clubbing seen, it is a sign of respiratory distress or respiratory disease and serious anomalies. So checking the clubbing, we are going to say the patient अपने हाथ जोड़ें इस तरह, अपने नाखून जोड़ें इस तरह, सीधा करें. So there is no obvious sign of clubbing. We are going to check the palmar side of the patient's hand. We are going to check for any pallor, yellowing of the hands. We are going to check erythema, which is a sign of liver disease. We are going to check any sweating. If there is sweating, it is a sign of hypothyroidism and anxiety. And then we are going to check the hypothenar and the thenar eminence, wasting of the muscles. Now we are going to note the face. We are going to check the facial expressions of the patient, and we are going to check for the symmetry changes. We are going to check the color of the patient's skin. For example, if there is yellowing, it is a sign of anemia. And then we are going to check for any scar marks and hair on the face. Now we are going to check the eyes of the patient. आप ऊपर देखें मेरे हाथ की तरफ. If there is any yellowing, ऊपर देखें. If there is any yellowing, it is a sign of jaundice. We are going to check the sclera for any discoloration of the sclera, which is a sign of jaundice. We are going to check the conjunctiva for anemia, and we are going to check the sclera for jaundice. अब हम लोग पेशेंट के ear lobules और nose की टिप को चेक करेंगे. If there is any blueness, it is a sign of congenital heart disease. Heading towards the oral cavity, हम पेशेंट को कहेंगे आप प्लीज अपना मुंह खोलें, जुबान बाहर निकालें. We are going to check the dorsum of the tongue for any. We are going to check the dorsum of the tongue. We are going to check for pallor, cyanosis, or dryness, and we are going to check the oral hygiene of the patient. We are going to examine the neck. We are going to check for the thyroid area for any swelling, and then we are going to check the neck veins. For there, we are going to say the patient to tilt. We are actually at this position for checking the veins. We are going to say the patient to lie on the bed with 45-degree angle of the neck and leg tilted. If there is increase in the jugular pulse, we are going to say there is any anomaly in the which has been caused the increase in the central venous pressure. Now we are going to check the lymph nodes. First of all, we are going to check the pre-auricular lymph nodes. Then we are going to check the post-auricular lymph nodes. Then we are going to check these occipital lymph nodes, and then we are going to check the supraclavicular lymph nodes at the lateral end of the clavicle. And then we are going to check the sublingual lymph nodes and the submaxillary lymph nodes. Now we are going to check the patient's feet. For this we are going to check for edema. For this we are going to check the medial malleolus, and we are going to check any obvious sign of edema. We are going to check the type of edema by pressing that place. If there will be pitting, it will be example of pitting edema. आपकी जनरल फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन हो गई है, आप जा सकते हैं.